Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel, Story of Mother. Oh, thank you for stopping by. If you have not subscribed on this channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on that notification bell to get notified anytime I'm on live or upload a new video. Thank you for stopping and thank you for sharing my video and thank you to all my subscribers. Yes, today I am here to talk about love. Love is everything. Love is everything. A lot of things is going on right now that there is no love anymore. There are no genuine love. The world is full of hate, jealousy, envy, that we forget about what our Creator wants from us. Just one thing, love. Hatred, jealousy, and enviness has covered the world now that that love is very difficult to show to one another. My family, in this season of celebration, because we are into the bar months, this period of bar months, September, October, November, December, it's months of celebration, joy. Let's use this month to fix our oaths and love each other. Do not only shower yourself with love or only shower your children, your family with love. Share it out. Love is everything. Love brings rest of mind. I know the world is wicked. Of course, even if the world is occupied with love, there will still be hate. But we shouldn't be part of that hate. Show love to each other. Giving is better than receiving. Do not only be the person receiving, also give. Help one another. Share concern. It's not only money love. It's not only helping somebody with money. People need ideas. People need encouragement. A lot of people are depressed, but they need loved one to talk to. They are afraid to talk to somebody because they don't want to be mocked. A lot of people are suffering in pain, dying in silence. But they are afraid to speak out because they don't want to be mocked by the world. Show love to one another. There should be no hate, no mockery. Let's embrace love, because love is everything. If you see somebody passing through stress, try to help. Whether financially you help, you know you can do it, help. Emotionally, help this person. Do love, show love, give to who really wants it, give to who deserve it, give to who really need it. Do not show love because you want people to see that you are showing love. Then you start to show love on social media, or you start to show love for other people to notice. You don't have to do it that way. If it's your own way to show love, or in that way, by showing it to everybody that you are showing love, then it's okay. Thank you. At least you are showing love. But if you are not that person on social media, you are not that person that like to show it out, please show love in secret and God will bless you in secret. In this celebration period, if you have enough food and you know you cannot eat it alone, share it to people that needs it. If you know you have clothes and you know the clothes are still useful, people can still wear it. It's not clothes that you cannot wear. Give it out. Shoes, bag that you know people can use it. Give it out. The worst thing, the worst sin in this life is when you cook excess food, when you prepare a lot of meal and you finish eating and then the remaining one got wastes. You throw them into the garbage, into the dustbin. That is not good. A lot of people out there need food to eat. Are you that person that have rooms, that have houses? I see a lot of people, they have houses in Nigeria or in Africa or in any other country, and they are not living with their family in their country, but they have houses, accommodation, and they are living maybe in Europe, America, Canada, all over the world, China also. The house, they lock it up. Only when they go on vacation that they open the house and clean it. I know the world is wicked, but there are some people out there that can appreciate it if you give them one room to stay inside. That is love. We have a lot of foundations that are doing great, showing love on the street, helping people, rescuing, giving them shelter. God bless that foundation. You can also assist that foundation to show love to people. A lot of people, oh my God, just show love. Love is everything. Love pays. Do not take people for granted. Do not underrate somebody. Do not underestimate person. The person you see down below can be high tomorrow and can rescue you and your generation. So love and do good to whosoever. Do not look down on people. In this period of celebration, also don't forget, why helping others, why showing others love, shower yourself with blessings. Shower yourself with love. Pamper yourself. Enjoy yourself. Stay healthy. Eat healthy. Relax. Love is everything. Love is unity. Love is fulfillment. Love is seed that you are planting, and you shall harvest full fruits, ripe fruits. God bless you as you show love to people that need love. God bless you as you show love around. Thank you for stopping by. Share this video. Give it a thumbs up. And we'll see ourselves next time. Bye-bye.